In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add affiliate products to your WooCommerce store. So as you can see here, I have a template website with some products on it, and I have WooCommerce installed. If we go to WooCommerce right here, you can see everything is set up normally, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can add affiliate links to it so that you can sell your own products as an affiliate. So it's basically that it looks on your website that these products are yours, but when they want to buy it, you redirect them to a different site where they can buy it instead, and you get a commission. So that's really nice. And if you hit this website, you'll probably want to do Amazon affiliate. So I don't have an Amazon affiliate account, but there's something in the Netherlands which is called bol.com, and it's very similar. So just stick with me. I'm going to show you step by step how you have to do this. So first of all, this is the website right now. If I go to the store, you can see there are some example products, just some dummy products that this template adds. And what you want to do to add your own product is first look for a product. So let's say you have a general store, you want some general products. What I do, I go to or Amazon or this website. So this is basically a Dutch Amazon, and now look for a product. But you have to be, of course, an affiliate from that from the company. So let's say Amazon, I'm affiliate from this website, and let's say we want to sell this product here as an affiliate. Then we go to it. So this is basically an espresso machine, a coffee machine. And what we want to do then on this website, we want to get the link, and then this is the link. We only need a link, and then we can change the name of it. So we can change it to espresso machine. So this is what I'll add right now. Now we have to hit generate link, and this is my partner, my personal link. And whenever someone buys through this link, I get a commission of around 5%. So let's copy this link. If you're on Amazon, do the same thing, and then close it. And now we have to go back to our WordPress website like this. And then you want to install WooCommerce. So I assume you already installed it. I have it right here. If you didn't, just go to plugins and then install it from here. What you want to do then, this product tab comes up once you installed WooCommerce and you want to add new product. So from here, we can add a new product, and let's add a name, espresso machine. And here you can add a description. So we can go back to this website. We can basically copy the description. So as you can see, this is in Dutch, but yeah, as you probably know, you can just use this in any language. So for me, this will be in Dutch, but that shouldn't change a lot. And then we can add a category. So I can add a new category, coffee machines, or just coffee in general. There we go. And now it's selected in that one as well. We can add some tags like espresso, and anything like that. And if you don't know what tags are basically things you can add to your page, so Google knows what it's about, and they can recommend it to people that are looking for espresso. So if someone is typing espresso, then the chances of you ranking high is higher because you added it as a tag. So let's go down a bit more. So we don't want to make it a simple product. We want to make it an external or affiliate product. Here we have to paste in the link we copied. So for me, I forgot the link. So it's this one. And this is the link I got from bol.com. And now we can change the button text, so we can just leave it as buy product and the regular price. So let's see what the price was. It was $1,599. We just copy this number and paste it in here. Oops, I didn't copy it, I'm sorry. Just like that. Or we paste it in here, and we can make a regular price of $1,700. And then, I'm sorry, like this. So it looks like it's a bit cheaper, but what I would recommend you to do is just use the same price as on Amazon or on whatever website you're using. So this is the main thing. Then inventory doesn't really matter. Link product, no, yeah, you can add an upsell. So if you sell coffee as well, like coffee cups, you can add it like right here. So whenever someone wants to like buy this product and they think, oh, I need coffee as well, you can make another sale like that. So yeah, here, if you have a t-shirt and you have multiple colors, you can add the multiple colors like right here. But as you can see, I have a coffee machine, so it's only one product, no variants, just one thing. And then this is not really important, like all these 3 cart flows, get more options, not important, but we have to add a picture. So you want to go to the website and then basically hit save image as, and I'll call it espresso. Typing is really hard. And then go to add product, add media, and just drag it in here. So this is now the picture of the product, and that's how it will be shown on our website. So as you can see, it's now right here. We can also add the product picture right here. So this is basically the main image, what they will see in the list. So basically right here in this list. So let's add it here as well. It's now in the media library because we already added it. There we go. And this is now how this looks. So now we can hit publish, and this is basically everything you need. So of course you can play with it. You can change something with the pictures, like you can put it like this doesn't really look good, you know, but you can put it right, a picture right here, and then here, and then here, just stuff like that. Just play with it. And if we go to products right now and we hit refresh, our product will be in this list. So as you can see here, our bestseller, it's right here. I don't know why, but when we go to this, you can see this page. It's just like a normal sales page, but when I hit buy product, as you can see, boom, they will be redirected to the affiliate website. So if you have an Amazon affiliate account, or you do it just as me from the Netherlands with bob.com, you can also do it with like Digistore24, Warrior Plus, and all those websites. But this is basically everything you need. These are the basics of creating a website and selling with WordPress and Woocommerce. I'm sorry. Yeah, as I said, you can play with it. I have Astra, so I have some more settings. I can disable the footer, just make it look good. I can add reviews from here, which I don't recommend if you have an affiliate website. I just recommend you to use it as an SEO way of creating products or promoting products on Google. And yeah, if someone searches for this machine, it's right now espresso machine, so it's not really SEO optimized, you know, but you can use this same title in here and promote it with stuff like Google Ads. As I said, just rank it in Google in search. That's what I was always doing. And yeah, you can, it's like a 5% commission, but it's not a lot. But considering it's a $1,600 product, 5% is like $80, and that's decent. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.